Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Brevo affiliate marketing for SMB email campaigns step by step clearly. To activate Brevo affiliate marketing for your SMB email campaigns, start by logging into your Brevo account. Navigate to the affiliate marketing section in the dashboard. If you don't have an affiliate program set up, create a new program by following the prompts. Define your program name and specify the commission structure you will. Customize the program details, including the description. Set up your tracking parameters to monitor affiliate performance accurately. Once the program is established, invite potential affiliates to join. You can do this by sharing a unique registration link directly or sending invitations through email. After affiliates join your program, provide them with promotional materials. These materials might include banners, email templates, and product images. Remember to set guidelines for how they should represent your brand. Create a dedicated landing page for the products or services you want to promote. Ensure this page is optimized for conversions, with clear calls to action. Next, integrate affiliate tracking into your email campaigns. In your email service provider's settings, input the tracking codes provided by Brevo. Craft engaging email content that highlights the benefits of your offerings. Encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links within the emails. Monitor the performance of your affiliate campaigns using Brevo's analytics tools. Track metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and overall ROI. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to keep them updated on promotions. Consider hosting training sessions to help them effectively market your offerings. Test different email formats and subject lines to see which perform best with your audience. Analyze the feedback and make necessary adjustments to your campaign strategies. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Brevo affiliate marketing for your SMB email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.